A Philippine expert has said China has much success in achieving sustainable development goals, and the resources and capability can bear on many developing member economies of APEC.
We know that China have much success in achieving sustainable development goals, notably in the areas of poverty alleviation, enhancing food security, health, financing development projects, especially in the countryside, climate change initiatives, industrialization, digital economy, and especially connectivity. I think these are areas that China over the years have developed competency, and of course, such resources and capability can bear on many developing member economies of APEC.
He also said that China has much to share about trade and investment.
China is the second biggest member economy in APEC after the US, a major destination for foreign investment, increasingly also an important outbound investor. China contributes to funding for APEC and also hosted a couple of summits in the past. And I think it has much to share in terms of experience and lessons in issues about trade and investment.